today I want to prepare my garden. All the ground over here, I want to dig. After I want to plant, I show everybody. I got over here nice basil. I got a tomato, red tomato, yellow tomato, hot pepper, cayenne pepper. And I got the Italian long pepper. Now this, it's that one I planted with my seeds. This, it's really hot pepper. Oh yeah, baby. And I got more yeah, baby over here. And I got the rosemary, the plant. And I got more rosemary over there. What I did with this rosemary, I cut the top, I plant, and I got more extra rosemary over there. I got already, I was planted the cilantro, the parsley, and I got over here arugula, and I got a lot of mint. Now, I want to start the dig, already I did all the way around a little bit to the ground. Now, this is the spade, and we start to turn the ground, and you do like this. And look at this, how easy it go. Now I want to show you what you do this. You see this? This, that's what you gotta use. If this, I'll do over here. And look at this. This you do more fast. It not take too long to do. This dirt, before the snow, I was put the manure, horse manure. It's why the ground is nice like this. It's good to use the manure, because the plant they grow nice. You know, I'm not putting no fertilizer. Okay, now finish the turn of the ground, everything, and now we gotta make a nice, even all over the place, and smooth the ground. And you do like this. Now everything gets smooth, nice, and now it's a time of the plant. Okay, now we started with the rosemary, and this you pick it up like that, and you use a Scooby Doo like this. And you plant, make sure the pack good, like that. And this, it's easy to do. You do 1, 2, and 3, stick in, and once in a while you can do, good. Hey birds, che sei suonana, sai suonare friscariella, e come si suona, oh friscariella. Okay, now this rosemary, it's a big plant. You see, look at the roots. I don't need to do like this. You see, I want to tell you something, but this one, you know what I do? I plant like this. One time it got roots, I sell on the garage sale. And I sell for $5 each. And the fly started to bite me on my legs. It's crazy, this fly. Okay, now we gotta make a big hole over here. Cause this, you see, look at the ground, nice soft. Oh, look at that. One over here. And I put another one right over here. Look at that fly. Look at that fly. Boy, this fly you want to chew my legs. Okay. Now this is the rest of the rosemary I got, and this I put like this. Boom. I gotta do my video and listen to the car. Oh, you see? And stop. Now I put the blue tape, it's for the tomato. One over here, one over here. Everybody say, what's this? This is grass. It's a green grass. Blue, it's a tomato. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plants, 23 inch far away one to the other. Cause the plant, when it grow too big, and you gotta have a little space one to the other. And I put this right over here like this. You see? And we put one plant over here, 2, 3, and 4. Everybody maybe say 4. Yes, 4. Okay? We not start to say something else. 4. Okay, thank you for the Scooby-Doo. Okay, you give it to me. And now we start. This is a yellow tomato. Now, you make a hole. Look nice. You make a hole. You take the tomato, you squeeze, and you got this like that. Now, you see the leaves over here, right on the, over here? The tomato, you gotta go that deep. And you do like this. You see? And you leave like that. Okay, now, make sure when the tomato, it grow a little bit more, do not use steel post, use wood, okay? Because the steel, the sun, it burn the plants. Now, I put one over here. Now we put another one right over here. And like I say, squeeze, and the plant, they come out, and you plant all the way, what is the leaves. Now, somebody asked me, why yellow tomato? Yellow tomato, it's not acid, but when you make a nice salad with a yellow tomato, a nice big fresh mozzarella, together, a little basil, the yellow tomato is so good. And you can make a sauce. The same thing, it tastes the same, like the red. Okay, now this is the Italian long pepper. It's that one, it's really hot, and I do on the barbecue. It's so good. And I planted this today too. But this, you know, gotta be the space like the tomato. This, it can be more close. And I do like this, plant. And this, it's easy to plant the pepper. You make a hole with a thing, cut the ground, it's so soft. And this, I don't put no water, okay, and the ground is so wet, but when you plant the ground it's dry, what do? You make a hole like this, you put water in the hole, and you put the plant. Okay, now this is the basil. This I know was grow, I was buy. Now this, $5.50 plus the tax. Now you got over here maybe a couple of hundred or maybe 300 plants. Now, so you want to go buy already in the pots, one, it costs you $6 or $7. But what I'm do, I plant my over here, and after I do like the rosemary, I put in the little pots, on the garage sale, yeah, I sell for a couple of dollars. I don't care, $2 or $3. And look how many I got over here. Tomorrow I gotta be busy, planned, all thing. Now let me go over here. And I started the plant over here. And this is what you do. You move a little bit over here like this, and you dig. You dig like that, and you take it out, one scoop. Like this. Make sure they don't break, okay? Now, you can put 3 each hole you make. You make the little hole, and you make, I put it right over here in the middle, and make like this. See? And you dig over here, and you plant. And this, when this it's a nice big the leaves, maybe nobody know what I gotta do. I gotta do the pesto alla Genovese. Still I got in my jar for 3-4 years, and this, the pesto, it comes so good. Okay, now I wanna know if everybody like my garden, what I did. It's not too much stuff, but I got a lot of stuff. Now, come this way over here, I got my mint. My mint is for mojito, to make the mojito drink. Okay, I can make iced tea for the summer, everything. After what I did, I was caught on the bottle, the roots, and look what I got over there. I got a lot of more. You know what? God, I just sell. I sell the mint. You know, hey, you gotta do a little bit over here, a little bit over there. Everything help, you know. And over here in the back, look, I got a beautiful sage. I got this is the thyme. A lot of thyme, this is the thyme. It's good for the chicken, for everything. And over here, yesterday I was planting some cucumber. Somebody he sent it to me the cucumber for bari. But you gotta see what kind of the cucumber. It's beautiful. I got a potato, and I got some broccoli wrapper mixed with the potato over here. I got a garlic, smaller garlic, and over there, look at the leaves of that garlic over there. That one, it's an elephant garlic. Look how big. In the back, I got a shallot. Shallot, it's an agno. Now, look at this. I got some fig tree. Look over there. I got the fig. You see that big fig over there? I got another one over here. I got about 4 or 5 fig over here. And over here, look, I got a more fig. But this year, I don't know yet. But all this, I'm not sure. Maybe it's all dead. What I did with this, with the leaves, I was put on the ground, but it started coming up for the barrel. See the fig? It started to grow for the barrel. Everything, look. It's good, look. Everything is started. But over here, I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe it's dead. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. It's everything done. After one start to grow the tomato, pepper, everything, we make a nice recipe. And we show, and plus we do it again. My son he tape it again what it look like the tomato. Now maybe a couple more days the tomato start to grow. I gotta put the stick each plant the tomato. But like I said, make sure. Okay, birds, no start eating my tomato, not ready yet. Okay, and the tomato I use the wood stick. This kind of the stick. But this it's short, you need the taller one. And like this, the tomato look good, nice clean, the pepper, the basil, arugula, cilantro, and parsley, and the rosemary. Everything it looks good. And I got more stuff over here, but I'll wait for this, the plant, maybe another day, get one to grow a little bit more. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope everybody like what I did today to show what you gotta do. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.